Imagine finally earning $100,000 a year and still wondering where all your money went. Because six figures sounds rich until the bills start taking their share.
And this isn't just about spending too much. The math itself has changed.
Today, income can look impressive on paper, while your actual financial freedom stays surprisingly small. So let's follow one six-figure paycheck from the first dollar to the last dollar. Meet Mike. He earns $100,000 a year and thinks he's finally made it.
His annual salary sounds huge, but that's gross income, not the money he gets to spend.
Before Mike can enjoy his paycheck, taxes and other payroll deductions take their portion. Exactly how much remains depends on where he lives, his filing situation, and his benefits.
So let's stop staring at the $100,000 headline and follow the actual cash.
First comes the expense that can dominate almost every other part of the budget: housing. Rent or a mortgage doesn't arrive alone. Utilities, maintenance, insurance, and property costs can follow. That's why the same six-figure salary can feel completely different in different American cities. Someone with a paid-off home has a completely different financial equation from someone entering the housing market today. And this is where the six-figure illusion starts becoming obvious. Then Mike needs a car, because getting paid more doesn't eliminate the need to get to work.
The car payment is only the beginning. Insurance, fuel, maintenance, registration, and repairs join the bill.
And a car can quietly become one of the biggest monthly expenses after housing. Mike doesn't feel rich anymore. He feels like he's managing a collection of monthly subscriptions to adulthood. And we're not even at food, healthcare, or unexpected expenses yet. Food prices don't need to double to hurt. Small increases repeated every week can reshape a budget.
Then come healthcare premiums, prescriptions, deductibles, and the expenses insurance doesn't fully erase.
Now imagine one unexpected repair, emergency, or medical bill landing in the same month. That's why income and financial security are two completely different measurements. The Federal Reserve found that 59% of adults faced at least one major unexpected expense during 2025. Now there's another character quietly following Mike: debt. America's household debt reached about $18.8 trillion in early 2026. Credit card balances alone stood around $1.25 trillion. And debt changes the meaning of a raise, because part of tomorrow's income is already spoken for. That's the trap. A higher salary can increase your spending power without increasing your wealth. Then comes lifestyle inflation, the habit of upgrading your life whenever your income rises. First, it's a nicer apartment, then a newer car, then more subscriptions. The paycheck gets bigger, but the lifestyle quietly expands to consume it. This is why two people earning the same salary can have completely different financial lives. And here's the part most salary conversations completely miss. Income is the money you earn. Wealth is what remains and grows after your expenses. Someone earning less can build more wealth if they consistently keep a larger gap between income and spending. That gap is where financial freedom begins. And the goal isn't to look rich. It's to own assets that can work alongside your income.
That's a completely different game.
So what should someone earning six figures actually do? Step 1. Know your real monthly take-home pay, not your headline salary. Step 2. Calculate your true fixed costs before upgrading anything. Step 3. Build an emergency fund so one surprise doesn't become expensive debt. Step 4. Attack high-interest debt before chasing complicated investments. Step 5. Automate long-term investing. Before lifestyle upgrades get first dibs on the money. Notice what this system doesn't require: looking poor, avoiding every purchase, or living like a monk.
It requires controlling the expenses that permanently lock up your future cash flow.
Because the biggest financial decisions usually aren't your daily coffee. They're housing, transportation, debt, taxes, and how much you consistently invest. That's why $100,000 can feel comfortable to one person and painfully tight to another. Location matters, family size matters, debt matters, housing timing matters. And so does the difference between owning assets and simply earning a salary. A raise can improve your life, but a growing asset base can eventually change your options. That's the difference between earning more money and becoming financially stronger. So if you're earning six figures and still feel behind, don't immediately blame yourself. First, find out exactly where the money is going. Then protect your cash flow, eliminate expensive debt, and automate the money you want to keep.
Don't measure success by the car outside your house. Measure it by how much of your income you can turn into future freedom. Because the real goal isn't to earn $100,000.
The real goal is to make enough of your money stay, grow, and eventually work for you.
Your salary is the fuel. Your cash flow is the engine. Your assets are the destination.
So don't ask, how much do I earn? Ask, how much freedom is my income actually buying me? If you enjoyed learning money the simple way, subscribe and keep building your financial future.